Let me take these earplugs out. Just as I'm about to start my vehicle. Central Howard has his running, and the old things across the street are arriving. So I'm supposed to be headed out. They're trying to put the juju on my vehicle. Do you hear what his vehicle is doing in the background? They're changing the frequency of it. I'm supposed to be headed out and getting on the road. But they let me sleep until 5 p.m., which is the time I was supposed to be departing. So I'm going to go and do what I wasn't going to do, which is laundry.